Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video series, we'll be your guide through the picturesque city of Ljubljana, Slovenia, showcasing 7 must-visit locations for your next travel adventure. Let's explore the beauty and charm of this hidden gem together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Lake Bled is often mentioned as the pearl of the Slovenian Alpine region due to its emerald green waters, picture-perfect postcard church on the island, medieval castle on the rocky cliff, and some of the highest peaks of the Slovenian Alps as the background. Take a short walk along the lakeshore as the beauty of the surrounding mountains reflects off the lake's surface. No matter the season, you'll enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of the lake and the fresh mountain air. Perched atop a steep cliff more than 100 meters above the lake, Bled Castle is the iconic image of a medieval fortress, with towers, ramparts, moats, and a terrace offering magnificent views. The castle houses a unique treasure, a reconstruction of Gutenberg's wooden printing press, on which the master printer will demonstrate old printing techniques using handmade paper. Take the Pletna boat, a traditional boat known only to this region, to the tiny tear-shaped island on the lake. Upon returning from the island, stop at the local patisserie and taste Bled's famous cream cake, Kremsnita. In the last 60 years, they have sold as many as 12 million of these cakes. They are definitely a can't miss and a perfect way to top off your day. In the summer, you can take bathing suits with you to take a dip in the lake. Please be advised that due to the winter season and the shorter daylight hours, a portion of our tour may be conducted after dark. Additionally, participants should be aware that the Pletna boat ride might not be available during our afternoon tours because of their winter schedule. We appreciate your understanding. We strive to provide the best experience possible regardless of the season. Number 2. Admire the stalagmites inside Postojna Cave. Meet your guide in central Ljubljana and settle into your ride as you set out for 2 of Slovenia's most enchanting wonders, Ljubljana Castle and the Postojna Caves. First, go with your guide to the Postojna Caves and uncovers the fascinating world of an unusual amphibian known as the blind salamanders, or referred to locally as human fish. Explore this enthralling underground world, while your guide explains the geologic forces that created them. Next, head to the Ljubljana Castle, a storybook castle wedged beneath a dramatic stone archway and against a cliff. Admire the unique Renaissance architecture of the castle located in south-central Slovenia, in the historical region of Inner Carniola. From the castle, enjoy views of lush, rural Slovenia. After that, sit back and relax on your ride back to Ljubljana. Number 3. Get an insider's view of Ljubljana's old town, where you will learn the history of the city and see some of its most important sights. Marvel at the city's architecture as you walk to Prešeren Square and Triple Bridge before heading toward Plečnik's Market and Ljubljana Cathedral. Continue on to the Town Hall and Raba Fountain before crossing Cobbler's Bridge and admire the views at the National and University Library of Slovenia. You'll reach the Križanka Summer Theater before enjoying the views of the tour at Congress Square. Number 4. I am a licensed tour guide. I was born and raised in Ljubljana and would like to claim Ljubljana as my city. Number 5. Get to know Ljubljana at your own pace on this interactive puzzle game and walking tour played on your phone. Decipher riddles, interact with the most important attractions of the city, and unlock interesting facts and legends. An ideal outdoor activity for first-time visitors, couples, groups, families, and children. Can be used as a great team-building activity. After downloading the app on your mobile device, use the mobile app and integrated maps to reach 10 of Ljubljana's most important attractions on foot. At each stop, learn about the attraction and solve a location-based puzzle that can only be solved if you reach the specific location. Use logic, imagination, observation, and team spirit to unlock the correct code and reveal the next destination of the city's sightseeing game. At each stop, learn about the attraction and solve a location-based puzzle. Use logic, imagination, observation. Start the activity whenever you like and enjoy the flexibility to pause at any time to take a break, snap the perfect photos, stop for lunch, or visit a museum. Choose to continue the tour later or save the rest for another day. Start your tour at Congress Square. Visit the world-renowned University of Ljubljana. Photograph the town hall and admire the famous Ljubljana Cathedral with its rich interior decoration. Central Mark will leave you speechless as its unique waterside location enchants its visitors. Learn about the Dragon Bridge, which was one of the first of its kind in Europe. Butcher's Bridge, with its romantic aura, it will captivate you. The architecturally outstanding Cerkev Marijinego Oznanjenia is worth the time and space in your mobile memory, as its pink color gives a special tinge to the city. The famous Prešeren Square will be your next step. It is an important meeting point and socio-political events, while the icing on the cake of this unique tour will be the Triple Bridge, which connects the historic medieval city of Ljubljana on one side and the modern city of Ljubljana. Download the World City Trail app from the store. Then start your tour and enjoy. Number 6. This guided food tour will take you on a walk through the old Ljubljana town. Learn about the city, stories of the people, architecture, the history of the Slovenian nation, and of course, local and national cuisine. This is much more than a food tour and definitely not your usual city tour. During the food tour, you will be served traditional dishes from a variety of different cuisines from all parts and circles of Slovenia's society, along with 4 kinds of wine. You will also familiarize yourself with historical Ljubljana and hear an overview of the history of Slovenes. At the end of the tour, your tummy will be full, your thirst will be gone, and you will know more about the history of Slovenes than some locals do. You will also be in the know about the old town and know where to go next, what to do next, and what to eat next. It's a perfect way to start your stay in the beautiful and tasty capital city. Number 7. Discover Ljubljana's awesome story with your Blue Guide. If it's your first time in Ljubljana, you've got to join our cool tour. We'll chat about how people live here now, check out the city's future plans, and explore bits from the old Roman times, the Middle Ages, and what happened after a big earthquake. We'll show you the faces of important Slovenians from way back, right on old money. It's like taking a trip through time. Ever wonder why Ljubljana is called the Green Capital of Europe? You will get the answer by your guide and by your observations. Come along for a fun journey where we'll uncover the stories of the past, the cool culture, and why Ljubljana is so special. Let's make this adventure yours. Highlights of the tour. 1. Water in Ljubljana. 2. The Dragon Bridge. 3. The Butcher's Bridge. 4. The Ljubljana Central Market. 5. The Cathedral. 6. The Fountain of 3 Rivers. 7. 3 Bridges. 8. The Main Square and a Love Story of the Poet. 9. The Congress Square and Star Park. 10. The National Library. 11. The Cobbler's Bridge. 12. Food, shops and restaurants. 13. The Secret Tiny Street. 14. The City Hall. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.